Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma hene kasngi baar ula play pat ba ya kilai teli ki oxygen generation plants Hatura Civil Hospital kabala bay tengka da ke United Nation Development Program India. Habakran shua ban play ki te jaka penmi oxygen kalong na kabenta ban pensuk ki nong pang kham tam hakani ka por badan ka klam COVID. Menteri Rangba ula ai ka jings ngongo ya ka United Nation Development Program India badi ka tenat kambari jong ka Japan ha India ki baladan ka benta ka bakra ban penyo ekite kitia.
Very important program that we're having today. I would like to first of all thank His Excellency. It is really wonderful to see you again. We had met in a very close dinner about 6 months or about 1 year back. I don't recall exactly the date, but it is definitely very nice to see you again, though not face to face, but online. And especially on a day like this when we are launching and inaugurating this oxygen generation plant. At the very outset, I would like to really thank the UNDP and the people of Japan, the government of Japan, for having contributed to this crisis management that we're doing, enabling the state of Meghalaya to fight this COVID situation in a much more stronger way. As was mentioned by His Excellency, the relationship with Japan and India has been growing from strength to strength. In many occasions, our Honorable Prime Ministers have expressed the desire for the two nations to always work together, and many areas of collaboration are taking place even today. Whether it's agriculture, whether it's tourism, especially in the area of infrastructure, road development, and also now we are seeing manpower also from the Northeast being sent to different parts of Japan. Just recently, I had a meeting with some skill providers who are looking at training some of our nurses, teaching them Japanese and being sent to Japan for healthcare work. So therefore, this relationship is something which we have seen has always been strong, and in situations and difficult times like these, when we face crisis, the true nature of our relationship comes out. And when we face difficult times like these, we know who our true friends are. In difficult times like these, we find innovative ways to help each other. So therefore, this particular situation and this particular help that has come from the UNDP and from the people of Japan only confirms and strengthens the relationship of Japan and India. And I'm sure that these relationships will go on in the future, and we will see more such collaborations and more work that we will do together to help each other and to build up the bond that we have.
Thank you very much.